Guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix 7.1 surround sound on Razer headphones, not recording desktop audio using Radeon software. Okay, the fix is real simple and I'm just going to show you right away. First of all, you need to right click on this icon, the sound icon. Right click it and click the first option, the top option. I'm not sure what it's called in English, probably sound option, something like that. You open it and you scroll down to the bottom of this menu and you see this advanced option menu, something like that. You click this and then you search for Radeon settings host service. After you find this, you just left click on this and select your it should be not on automatic or by default, it should be speakers and your physical device that you're using. Not 7.1 surround sound, because that might not work. You can try it, but in my case it didn't work. You search for your physical device. In my case it's the headphones Barracuda X. But yours might be Kraken X or something like that. Anyway, you select it and bam. After that, all you need to do is open a video in the background or something that's playing on the background and just test it. You start to record and you play the video.
В кое време това ще го кача или по кое време вие го гледате? Така, набързо, да, заглавието.
As you can see, it's working. And okay, that's basically it. I hope I helped you because that frustrated me for quite a while. And okay, I wish you everything good. Bye bye.